installing my lace closure wig today. This is a 6x6 lace closure wig from ASTERIA hair. It is 24 inches and it is 180% density. The lace is transparent. It is definitely not for my skin color, but I'll make it work. This is a medium-sized cap, so let's just get into it because I have to be on the road soon. Hold on. Woo! Looking crazy. I did brush my edges back with some got to be glue gel. I did add some makeup to the cap because to the lace, I mean, because it was too light. I washed the wig last night. It was in my first video. I washed the wig last night, so I just added some more makeup to the lace. I really do like this wig. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice, you know, pretty nice. So I am going to add some Nairobi Moose just to smooth back the hair, because I am gonna hot comb it so it can be looking like a relaxer, a nice relaxer. But yeah, if you see me looking down, I'm looking into my mirror. So I have my hot comb here. Got it from Amazon. It's been heating up. I don't know if you guys can see my battle scars because clearly this wig game isn't for me, because this burned the shit out of me the other day and left a big mark on my nice clean face. But yeah, I'm just gonna smooth this back. And I don't use any glue like I used to use, like when I used to wear frontals. I'm not a big fan of frontals because it's too much work and I'm very lazy. It takes too much time. So, but when I used to use when I used to wear frontals, I used to use Ghost Bond. It would always cause like fine bumps on my face, and I'm trying to get my skin clear and that just wasn't cutting it. So I guess it's like too strong for my skin. I really wanted to try the bowl hold, but I don't know, maybe. I think this beauty supply store near down the road, ow, I just burned myself, sells bowl hold. But yeah, so I'm just gonna hot comb the top, and then I'm just gonna add got to be glue spray because I don't use glue. Because I added the band, it's like extra snug, so I don't need to use the glue. But I'm just gonna clip this back so it's easier. I really like this size closure because it's awesome. It's very awesome. It's just not too small like a 5x5x4, and it's not too big like a frontal, so it's just the perfect size, in between size. Whoever came up with this is a genius. You see how it's like melting in my skin? Yeah. I always have problems with the edges, but see how like you can't really see, you can see the line of demarcation, but it's not that vivid. I'm just gonna spray, and then I'm going to tie it down if I can find my thing to tie it down with. Oops. So they did, when I bought the wig, it did come with, ooh, ew, that's dirty, like a headband. It came in with a silk bag to place the wig in, so it does have that. So that's a plus. That is a plus. I'm just gonna tie this back and let it dry. Let it dry down. I'm just gonna let it dry down. In the meantime, I am going to start up my curling iron or my flat iron because I'm gonna curl this baby up. Found it. So I am using the Conair, no, Infiniti Pro by Conair. So it's like a ceramic one that you can like use. It's a flat iron, but you can use it as a curling iron. So it's like a 2-in-1. Love this. I got it from Ross for $20. Woo! Because I'm cheap, Lord, I'm cheap. I have to save. Save. Alright, so I'm going to heat this up to 375. The highest is 400, but I'm just going to put it at 375. Let that heat up while this dries down, and I'll be right back when it's hot again. So now that this has been heating up for some time, I'm just going to section my hair into 2, and then I'm going to detangle. The wig is kind of big, but I'd rather it be too big than too small. So I'm just gonna section it into 3, trying to evenly. I am trying, sir. I don't know why. I just think in another life I was definitely a British person, because I don't know where I get my accident from. So I'm just going to do the rest off camera, and then I'll come back and when I'm just gonna come back and then show you the finished product. So hey guys, this is the finished look. I curled everything, so I'm just gonna go do my makeup and I'll be right back. So guys, I went ahead and finished doing my makeup, and this is the finished look for my hair. I just combed the curls out, but this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. Well, we can party some more.